Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Let's go, baby. Another day, another dollar. Welcome back to Momo Trades. How's everyone doing today? Good to see everyone. And once again, guys, exactly what we thought would happen yesterday ended up happening. Traded all the way down to the 40-70 level, like what we were saying in the poll. I know Bill, Grandpa Raja, Rin, Rev, you all know what I'm talking about. But looks like we're having an attempt at a correction right now. So we might try to be going back up to 4110, but we're right at that 4100 level, so we might just be having some congestion here, some pause in momentum. We'll just have to do what we always do. Stay patient, wait for a nice setup to appear, and when it does happen, pounce on the opportunity. And I actually did end up off stream catching a very, very nice runner yesterday. We'll show you guys that in a bit once we got more people in here. Once we got more people to join the party. How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing? Let me know in the chat. ERP Media, good to see you back. Let's go, baby. My man. We are having what looks like a range here. We technically had a first entry long, second entry long. Hola, amigo Gonzalo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Gonna have a good trading day today. I mean, we always do every day, but I can feel it in the air today. Feel the energy. Y'all feel that? You guys feel that, right? Squeeze, you use my evaluation code. Thank you, appreciate it. Did you use it yesterday, or when did you do it? Okay, we could be having another, basically a quadruple test here. Might take this. Yeah, I'm gonna take this long. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4 touches at the same level. Nice bullish bar. Debating if I should just take out the runner, because we are just in a range. But why not let it ride? Why not let it ride? Okay, what's the... Oh, you just use it right now. All right, appreciate it, Squeeze. Hell yeah. What's the at the money strategy? Okay, so basically I scalp for 5 ticks, and then once the scalp is made, so once it ticks through the order and goes 6 ticks from where I entered, then the next contract I have, the runner, which we see right now, is automatically put to break even plus 1 tick. You took the same one, ERP Media. All right, let's see. See if it was better to take out the runner or let it ride. Probably better to take it out. Honestly, kind of wanted to take it out right there, but in the long run, if you let every runner ride, it's gonna go well. And I'll show you guys what I did yesterday. I don't know the exact amount on the runner, but it was close to 20 points. Everything good, Gonzalo? You got 5 ticks, Bill. There we go. There we go. I feel like every trade lately, we've been having multiple people in the stream taking the same setups, which I like to see. Means we're doing something good. Okay, we're still working higher, still trapping some people. I want to see us test the high of the day. I want to see us come up to here, actually. 41.10. Took your runner out, Ren. Man. I mean, I really don't expect a runner right now. But sometimes when you least expect it, that's when it happens. So a lot of people are probably thinking, okay, let's sell the top of this range, let's start selling. But we're really just in an uptrend still. We should probably test the high the day before reversing. So we could trap some shorts and then keep working higher. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so now we're breaking lower. So people are gonna start selling. So I wanna see us push up, trap some shorts. Come on now. It might happen. You took that, Dylan. There we go. Rin, you usually don't take trades in the first 15 minutes. I mean, honestly, yesterday, looking back at the trades I took in the first 15 minutes, I mean, I didn't necessarily get lucky because the trades I took were nice setups in terms of the signal bars. They were either, I mean, I took like 3 shorts, but they were all in the middle of the range. So sometimes you are going to get, I mean, a lot of the times you're going to get burned taking any trade in the middle of the range, even if it looks like a nice setup. This one's a little different because we were at the bottom of the range, obviously. So even if we had like a higher low here with a nice bullish bar, that's the type of trade I took yesterday and it worked out. I mean, it worked out 3 times, but whenever you're in the very middle of the range, it is dangerous. No matter the signal bar, no matter the validity of the setup, it's it's wise to just stay out of the trade. Okay, so we're definitely just stacked at the top of this range, right at that 4100 level, similar to where we opened at yesterday. So yesterday, yeah, right around same exact level. But I think we're trying to work higher. See if we can get above 4104. Tick through it, or we matched it. Let's see if we can tick through it. Okay, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. Can we work higher? Seems like we can. Maybe. So we didn't quite reach the high of the day. We were one tick away from there. But we might even have a sort of trend forming, something like that. I'm not going to draw it yet. Might take out the runner. We'll see. We shall see. But it is a very, very bearish signal bar. We were in a zone of congestion, broke out the top, failed breakout, so not a bad short setup here. I'll take the 2 points. I'll take the 2 points. So definitely nice to start the day like that. Quick profit, not bad, not bad. How's it going, Ivan? Good to see you in here. Appreciate you watching. It's alright, it's alright. I mean, lately we've been having great trading at the afternoon session of the day. Sometimes you don't even need to worry about the morning at all. You can just come back a few hours into the market and then get some nice trades. But it is definitely more movement than what we've been having. Yesterday and today have been some nice volume, nice volume. Not snails in the market. So we could be reversing now. I mean, look how many bearish bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bearish bars in a row. Definitely a lot of sellers. Or definitely a lot of people hesitant to keep pushing the market higher. But you know what? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the daily chart. The daily, I mean, you just focus on the daily. I mean, looks like we're just sideways for the past. On the left side here, this is December, start of December. So since then, I mean, we've been in a clear range. So we could easily be working our way towards 38.50 in the next couple weeks. Something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind for sure. Okay, I think this range looks valid. Just trying to see the exact size of it, what makes the most sense. Hey, Rosales, you passed eval yesterday. Congrats. I appreciate you using my code. Appreciate it. And thanks, Squeeze. Good luck on that. Good luck in that eval account. Squeeze, and then obviously Rosales. Good luck in that PA. Let's go. See, like here, it's pretty risky trade. We have this downtrend, break, new low, nice bullish bar. So, I mean, it'll probably work out for a scalp. But we're just right in the middle of that. So now we're pushing lower. So you entered in at 4,100 exactly. Went up to 41.25. That's 5 ticks. If you're going for 5, then you need one more tick to get out of it. So we'll see if it keeps going higher. We could easily just keep going lower. But yeah, Gonzalo, you're waiting for a higher low. But the thing is, even if a higher low happens, the higher low is going to be all the way up here. So there's not going to be much room. Regardless. Oh, Rosales, you have 4 more days to trade. I mean, what you can do is just use like one micro contract and then just get in and out of the trade. Okay, so here's that higher low. I would have taken this yesterday. But you know what? Let's see if there's any potential trend like that. I might take it. It could be that we're just bouncing off this trend. So if we get another higher low or a failed second entry short, then I'll definitely take the long. But as of now, it really does just look like we've been sideways. But if we make another push up, then I'll reconsider that big uptrend. Gonzalo, you have the big uptrend from back here. Okay, could be valid, could be valid. I mean, we're definitely clearly having touches on. I'll leave it. Thanks for that advice. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So now it looks like this trade was the trade to take. Nikki Stonks. Who's we? Who's we? When it fits that perfectly, it's smart not to just ignore it, I've found. But yeah, who is we, Nikki? Every person is their own trader. Remember that. Usually, yeah, usually I don't draw trends from previous days, but I mean, it's important to at least acknowledge that it could be valid. Fits way better Pat's traders. I mean, I don't even consider myself a Pat's trader. I consider myself an individual who got advice from learning from his videos, but I never bought his course or anything like that. I mean, I learned the biggest way you're going to learn isn't by identifying yourself as someone's disciple. You're going to learn by your own work at this. So he wasn't the only trader I learned from. I learned from several along the way, and then obviously started my own trading journey. Yeah, Rev, they went up to then they went down to the to the 70s, exactly like we thought. Yeah, of course, Nikki, in that regard, yeah. The actual system that I'm trading in terms of the runner and the scalp, yeah, that's from him, but I mean, I go for 5 ticks. I don't go for 4 ticks. I use a limit order. He says to use stop market orders. I use 1 contract as a runner and 1 contract as a scalp. That's not Pat's at all. I'm much more aggressive in terms of the runner. But yes, I owe that man a lot for exposing me to this system for sure. I appreciate all those videos, but there comes a point where you have to realize watching the videos isn't how you become a much better trader. Yeah, so we had a nice failed second entry short, but I had a doji on my bar. I wanted to take this trade. Did anyone have a better signal bar here instead of the doji? Hey, good morning, Grim. Good morning. Nikki, I have a question for you, Nikki Stonks. How long have you been trading for? What's your trading journey been? Doji on Ninja, hammer on Tradeovate. Okay. Man, I wish this bar wasn't a doji. That's a nice entry. 3 years, Nikki Stonks? Okay, man, you've been around the block. Hey, we all trying to make it out. How's it going, Toad Man? Good to see you. Okay, we officially made new highs for the day. I'm pissed about this signal bar, this doji, everything about the trade was perfect. Bouncing off nice trend from yesterday, but that's all right. New low here, first entry, second entry, boom, perfectly off the EMA. One thing wrong with the doji signal bar. If you entered at 4103, I would have brought my runner up to here, the swing low, secured at least a couple points. Even looking back, this is a nice trade right here. Pesky candle, for real. Alright, Nikki Stonks, peace out. Pesky little candle, I know. But I mean, in the long run, if you respect the candles, you're gonna be good. I'm glad I didn't take the trade. I mean, obviously it's hard to say I'm glad I didn't take the trade, but in the long run, if I'm gonna take every single doji bar, it's not gonna be a good recipe for success. But let me show you guys the trade I took yesterday. So here we go. So I entered up here. Basically, we were having some congestion. Let me go back. New low, first entry short, second entry short, nice bearish signal bar. At this point, I didn't even have this downtrend drawn, but I was just playing the range. Ended up being a very nice runner. Then where'd I get stopped out? So I got stopped out at like 18.5 points. That's what I did. Got into the trade, got the scalp portion, ended up just trailing at every swing high. Boom. Just brought it down. 18 points. So, got a couple $100 left until I hit that threshold and passed the 10 evals I'm in. So, that's why I was really considering taking this runner out, because I was at the peak of this trade, I was only like $200 until that profit target. Rosales, second entry long here. Yeah, but I feel like honestly, I feel like the trend could be losing steam. If we get rid of this, what does it look like? It really just looks like this uptrend, break, couple legs to a new high. The uptrend, break. See, it might even be a measured move. This is one leg. Two legs, not quite. But when you see such a bearish bar here, it's not really typical of a nice uptrend. And basically at that level I was calling out 41.10. I mean, a couple points away, but I wouldn't take this second entry long here. Could work out. But I'm gonna stay out. Good morning from Alberta. I'm gonna respect this downtrend. It's a nice second entry long, bullish bar. Triggered. Probably will work out. But I think we might be having a trend like this. I'm gonna wait for a higher low. Might work out though. Like button cashed. I like it. You got a different description for the like button every day. Cash in on that like button. Cash in on that like button and you'll make some cash today. Okay, so we basically had a first entry long, second entry long failure. Could be a trap of that failure. Let's see. But I'm gonna stay out. The bars look a little too stacked. This bar is a little too big for my liking. See if it would work out though. I'm gonna exercise extreme patience. But it would have worked out. Would have worked out. No, I don't. I don't ever trade micros, Grim. Just e-minis. What do I think of the UK trader? I like the UK trader. I watched his stream a couple times. We should do a collab. He's I mean, he's another fellow trader. Another fellow UK trader. I've watched his stream a few times. Yeah, I just saw. I was curious to see if he took this trade right here. So 4 tick take profit is $50 for the E-mini. For the micro, it's $5. Yeah, the freaking commissions. I know. I wish we had free commissions. Wouldn't that be nice? One day, maybe. Hey, there might be a firm out there one day soon with free commissions, like what Robinhood did. Day trader next door. I don't know. Who's that? It's the day trader next door, another UK trader. I've brought him up last week. Yeah. I'm looking at him right now on my phone. Now I remember. But I've never watched him. Does he live stream or no? I don't think he live streams, does he? Oh, he doesn't stream. Is he handsome? Man, Nikki, I thought you were out of here, Nikki. What are you doing? What are you doing back here? Yeah, I really think we're gonna come down, test the bottom side of this trend. So potential lower high here, but you'd be going short right into these lows. He trades 5 contracts for 10 tick take profit, but will jump around 7 if it gets off. Okay. 10 tick take profit? Yeah, you gotta be extra careful with your trades in that case. If you don't want me here, I'll go watch that panda gamble. Of course I want you here. But you said, didn't you just say a few minutes ago you had to go? Let me see. Let me go back to the log. Oh, you announced your return. Okay, I didn't see that. Shit. Shit, man. Alright then. The panda? What's the panda? Oh, bye money. Yeah, I know the panda. I mean, that guy, the panda guy, bye money. He's pretty big though, isn't he? Panda gamble. Weren't you guys saying last week that he like scammed his audience or something? Or he has an indicator that he makes money on and then just trades a demo account? King of the affiliates, I'm sure. Sounds like ICT. Yeah, who? You do well on your link. In the past, so in March I made $67. I'm pulling it up right now. In March I made $67. April I've made $99. So I mean nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I've made like almost $167, baby. Let's go. On the affiliate link. Well, it's because now if you sign up for a 50K account using this code, I only get like $2. So run it up, run it up. Use my code, use my code. Two tanks of gas, yep. Have I already collected a payout on my PA? No, I haven't. Not yet. I'm not even worried about a payout yet. I'm trying to grow it a lot before I even think about a payout, because the payout, yeah, you get money now. I already have enough money in my bank. I don't want to get a payout and risk just giving myself less money to trade with on the accounts. Like, I'm trying to grow the accounts. That's my mindset. I think yeah, if you're trying to get quick money, hit that threshold, take the payout, end the accounts, and then start over. But if you're in it for long term, I'm not even thinking about a payout yet. Okay, very interesting spot here. Would be a second entry short, triple test. Let's see, let's see. Let me see. What do I do for work when I'm done trading? Well, so with my running, I get a stipend for my running from Lebanon. And then I also started working at a car dealership, selling cars, making those commissions on the weekends. Day 4, no drinking. I went the past few months without drinking. Not a big drinker. Gotta take care of that brain. But yeah, you probably, I mean, Grim, do you definitely feel the difference being hungover versus fresh? So if you took this high or low right here, congrats. But I mean, it was just tough to take this long here with this much resistance at that level. Yeah, so this technically still the trend from yesterday. Seems legit. Seems legit, doesn't it, Nikki? Yeah, okay, I guess also this is a first entry long, second entry long. But I mean the overall context, you didn't, I mean, you couldn't really know that this was going higher unless, I mean, yeah, this uptrend would have given you some reason, but it was really just like a wedge. It was a wedge like that. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a triple top too. Does it go to 4118 to grab liquidity? I mean, yeah, we might be trying to get to the high of yesterday. Probably. With the trend, just buy second entry and higher low on the key entry point until it doesn't work. Yeah, but you can't just ignore everything else. You can't just ignore this congestion, this level right here. But definitely a lot of shorts got chopped here. I mean, with this many green bars, people are getting trapped left and right. A lot of people trying to sell right around 4108.5. Seems like we're just bouncing off the midline though. The trade I would have taken if I had this trend drawn is this one back here. Second entry long setting up. We'll see. You would have taken the failure. Yeah, I mean the failure too, obviously, but it was just a doji on my chart. But yes, that one for sure. So let's see if we get another bounce at that trend channel line. Yeah, I mean, I always care about the signal bars. That's from my experience. I mean, why didn't you take the failure, Nikki? You just didn't spot it in time. At night you pray to Mac. Well, yeah, he says on failures the signal bars don't matter, but I don't know. I feel like it's I feel like it's important not to just ignore it. But yeah, in that case, I mean, obviously looking back, okay, it was a textbook failure. But here, there's also a few other things to consider. I mean, you'd be going long right into this, into the resistance. It could just be a range we're in. So if the signal bar was better, it would have gave me more validation that, okay, we are going up. All right, now we're slowing down a bit. Trade's coming. A trade is coming. Feel it. Who else feels it? This last short-term uptrend, you consider a break a new extreme or could expect the new extreme. All I know, we're trending up. No reason to think we're reversing just yet. So I'm only thinking longs right now. Only longs. No reason to try to reverse the market just yet. But with that said, we did have this leg working down. Bouncing off this trend once again. If we get a higher low, I'll go long. If we don't, I'm still not gonna go short. I'm gonna wait. How come I don't post in Marco's group anymore? Yeah, you know why? I have no idea. They blocked me. In Marco's group, Pat's Trading, right? The price action trading system.com on Facebook. All I would do is post my video, say, hey, if anyone wants to check out the videos, got educational content. One day I went in, they blocked me. I couldn't even access it. They got jealous, I think. But I didn't know yeah, I knew Marco, the guy posting. I just recently saw that he had a YouTube channel. I didn't know they had a YouTube channel. So it's probably that. He probably thought, oh man, like this guy's taking my views away. But now it made sense because when he blocked me, I was like, why the hell is this admin on Facebook blocking me? Like, why does he care? But then I recently discovered that he has a YouTube channel. I'm like, dude, I'm like a small YouTuber. Why do you care? Okay, so we had a break, new low of that leg working down. You're going to go to law school. How old are you? How old are you, Nikki Stonks? We'll sue them. I don't know if you need to sue someone for blocking you from a Facebook group. Okay, so break, new low. Really, first entry long, could be getting a second entry long. I want to see a higher low. Let's see if we can get a higher low. Turning 30 in June, alright? Alright, when you get that law degree, let me know. You have a doctor already. Who is this man, Nikki Stonks? I'm a Google Nikki Stonks doctorate. See what shows up. Possible failed second entry short or failed second entry long? Rosales. Could be a failed second entry long, but I mean, I'm not gonna go short yet. We also already had this move down, break, new low. I'm still expecting us to go higher. See if we can get a higher low above the EMA off that trend channel. That beautiful trend channel. Okay, looks like we're trying to work higher. We trying to work higher? Okay, can we get a higher low? All right, give me 1 minute. I gotta send a quick email. Okay, are we gonna get a high or low? Yeah, Rev, I'm in the same boat. I just finished college last year. Supposed to go to New York for a finance job out there. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna go dedicate my life 20, 30, 40 years to work for someone else. I'm gonna make myself into something great. Everything I've ever put my mind to, didn't give up, made it. Why not day trading, huh? Let's go. Let's go. This is just the start. It's just the start. It's hard to tell exactly where the top side of the trend is. We could just be bouncing at the midline, but we have a long ways to go if this is valid in terms of where the top of the trend is. Let's go, Nutty Bar, let's go. Yeah, I mean, college, I don't know if it's a scam, but depends on what you want to do. But it really can open your eyes to the capabilities of what you can do on your own if you don't if you don't go into that world, into that that career where you just get sucked into the corporate world and never come out. You had the same thought last year, made more than 5 times your part-time job at the time in 2 months, and never look back. Hell yeah, Rev. That's how we do it. How it works. Escape that matrix. Gonzalo, you have a master in finance. There we go. Yeah, I had enough school. I was the valedictorian in my high school. Went to UCLA. Finished early. I was like, you know what? I'm done with school. I'm making my own path now. Maybe I'll go back to school and teach some classes. Become a professor. Or a guest speaker. You want to be a scalper for life? There we go. Nikki Stonks is training for the Olympics soon. Yeah, what event? What event? Yeah, here's that high or low, but we're pretty far away from the EMA. Professor of price action. There we go, Bill. Professor of price action. I'm trying to teach people about life, how to get out of the mindset that I saw a lot of people in college, especially. So laser focus on, doing this one assignment, getting an A versus an A minus, this. They forget the bigger picture of why they're even on this planet. A lot of people my age, a lot of young people my age don't even stop to take the time to think, wait a second, like what are my goals in life? Like what am I put on this earth to do? So soon I'll be coming out with a podcast with some buddies of mine, not anything day trading related, but be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout. Okay. Wish we could have got in on this action. Made a new high of the day. Will we continue or not? Who knows? Will it get posted in this channel? Nah, a different channel. I mean, Nothing set in stone yet. In the works. In the brainstorming process right now. We're trying to. We got some big goals. I'll say that. Big world goals. World goals. That's another thing. A lot of people don't dream big enough. If you're gonna dream, if you're gonna go get something, make it the biggest goal you can imagine. Aim for it. But you can't just dream, you gotta put the work in every single day. Momo New World Order. Yep. We'll see. You're right, Rin, you're right. Hoodie. Glasses. Let's go. Douglas Hill, yeah, valedictorian. I'm telling you, everything you put your mind to, everything you put work into, you truly work at it, you'll get it. But yeah, valedictorian. Number 17. Lucky number 17. Valedictorian voted homecoming king. Voted most athletic, so yeah, I got the triple crown. Not to brag. Mumu Top G. Oh, my dad calls me Super G. Ever since I was a little kid, Super G. I'm the OG Super G. You think people are so focused on future goals and what they think they should be doing that no one ever takes the time to live in the moment and be present. Yeah, I mean, it's a two-edged sword. I think you should have those future goals in mind, but you can't just think about them. You have to live in the moment and work at it every day to ever achieve those goals. Yeah, if you're too focused on the future and thinking the possibilities of it, you can't just think. You have to do. You have to act. Can't just expect it to happen by chance. You have to make it happen. You have to make your future. Grab it by the freaking horns. But at the same time, as Rev is saying, it is kind of the opposite. A lot of people are so focused on what they're doing right at the moment, right now, that they get stuck. And then they don't even ever think about the future. So there's two realms of thought, basically. Okay, so we're getting a failed second entry short here. Counting from this low, we went up. First entry short, went up again. Second entry short, failure. But we have these two bearish bars. Mumu Tony Robbins. Nah, I ain't no copycat of someone else. I'm Mumu, that's it. But I do gotta give credit to Pat's trading. I want to meet that guy. Let's go. How can I go golfing with Mr. Mac, huh? Rapid Rob, hey, you always got to think like a champ. How are you gonna, if you ever want to be a champ, how are you gonna be a champ if you don't even think of yourself as a champ? Gotta think big to be big. Always gotta have confidence, always gotta have that mindset. You're the best, I'm the best, I'm a legend, I'm a beast. Say it out loud. I say it out loud every single morning. When I go outside, take that cold shower, go outside, look to the skies, and I say, I'm a I'm a champion. I'm the best day trader. I'm a beast. I'm gonna achieve all my goals. Write it down. Speak it out loud. Make it real. Make it so your mind knows these things. Over time, your mind can can do some powerful things. I'll say that. Do some powerful things. Liver is king. Oh, I got liver. I had some liver yesterday. You know it. Liver is king. Man, he's on some roids though. Liver king. Too many roids. But his message is good. His message, I like the message. He's a funny character to look at though. Alright, peace out, Rev. Peace out. Liver is king. Get those feet grounded, anchored, connected to the earth. Man, I was already doing those things before Liver King existed. Or he existed on social media. Liver is king. That's a good one, Nikki. That's a good one. You made me laugh. You made me laugh through the eyes, on the face, on the skin. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Why do you think I go take a break every day? It's true. I'm not trying to be inside all day every day. I gotta go outside, enjoy the world. I just got a exercise bike yesterday, a stationary bike. So I'm gonna do that in about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go on the bike, do some extra training for my afternoon training later in the day. Rapid Rob. Almost 2 years. Nikki, I actually unfollowed Liver King. I was watching his stuff every day. He was hilarious. But I unfollowed him. It got to be too much. He got to be too much of a character. Okay, can we get a second entry long? Will we get a second entry long? How will this bar finish? Neutral or bullish? We'll see. Bearish. No entry. No entry yet. But yeah, you gotta get You gotta get your nutrition in check. You gotta get other aspects of your life in check before you can really master the psychological side of trading, in my opinion. If you have brain fog, you don't feel good, you don't feel energetic, how are you gonna really succeed in day trading? But really, in any endeavor, if you're trying to be the absolute best you can be, if it's day trading, if it's something else, another career, whatever, you gotta take care of the other aspects of your life first before you go head on into something. If you have some fear when you're trading, what's causing that fear? Is it a nutritional deficiency? Is it something just like a psychological block I have? Is it just doubt from something in the past? Why do I have that? What's causing it? How do I get rid of it? You gotta delve deep into your mind, go through every rabbit hole and figure out, all right, how am I gonna get over these mental barriers, if there are any? How am I gonna achieve my goals? How am I gonna do what I really want to do? Is my brain functioning properly? Am I treating my body right? Am I recovering? Am I getting rest? Okay. Breaking below. First major break of the trend. If we have a valid trend. Seems legit though. What? Use my code and it says Apex said that code is expired. Are you sure you used the same exact code? Cause Squeeze earlier today used my code. Try it again. You can click in my description, see if it works, clicking the link from my description. But let me check on my end. Yeah, that's weird. When I go into Apex and go to affiliate keywords, it says nothing is there. That's weird. Gotta do some investigating. Wait, can someone try again? Because I can't test it on my own account. Maybe Apex Daryl went to some non-extradition country with his tens of millions. Nah, I don't know. But no, it should still work. KEYOWVXY. Should work. Someone's willing to try it out right now. Obviously, you don't have to buy anything, but if you see if it can be applied, it would be greatly appreciated. You like those comments on Fear Douglas? Yeah, I mean, if you really think about it, when you're trading, let's talk about fear, for example, or like nervousness or anger, whatever it might be. If I'm about to enter a trade and I'm like, I don't know if I should do it. I'm afraid. Think what's causing that fear, okay? Should I be having that fear? Is it valid? Is it helping me at all? Is this helping me or is it hindering me? If it's not helping you, you have to figure out a way to block out that fear, and that just takes some self-reflection, self-experimentation, what methods you find that can really allow yourself to just get rid of those thoughts, and then you'll be good. You tried it twice on Tuesday, didn't work. Can you try it right now? I would try it, but I can't do it on my own. I can't do it on my own account. It won't show me if it works or not. Comes up expired. All right, appreciate it, F Zen. Appreciate it. I'm gonna send an email to Rhythmic or to Apex. Well, I think even if it comes up as expired, if you click on my link and it directs you to Apex, I'll still get credit for it. Let's see what Nicky Stocks has to say. I thought when I first hop on the stream, man, this guy must be a frat fella. Turns out he wants the best for us all. Nicky Stocks out for real this time. Hey, you know how it is. Yes, sir. I'm trying to make this world a better place. That's the ultimate goal. That's the ultimate goal. Maybe I can help others. My fear is subsiding with a probability mindset and only concentrating on winning more trades than losing in the long run. Each trade means nothing. I mean, if you really look at the bigger picture, let me read that again. My fear is subsiding with a probability mindset and only concentrating on winning more trades than losing in the long run. Each trade means nothing. Yeah, I mean, if you're only if you're about to take a trade, just think, okay, does this follow my rules? Am I going to be happy about this trade? Am I going to be confident even after the fact? If it loses, I'll be okay with it. If it wins, I'm fine with it. If it meets your criteria, take the trade. If you're about to click on the button and you know in that moment, it's breaking one of my rules, stay out of it. If you do that, then you're really not going to even be angry. If you follow your rules, take a trade. For example, if this trade hadn't worked out earlier in the day, I wouldn't have been mad. You know what? Triple test, nice bullish bar, expecting to go higher. We're trending up the entire day. Okay, I'm confident in that trade. I'm only going to take trades where I will be happy regardless of the outcome, as long as it follows my certain criteria. Make Earth great again. First, I gotta talk to Apex about this. What is this BS? Code expired? You the man, Toad Man. You the man. Expired through my link as well. FZen. How about them Warriors? Let's go, baby. Warriors winning it all. You know how I know that? Because I'm going to manifest that. I said at the beginning of the season, they're going to win it all. Yesterday, oh man, that was a massive win psychologically for them, because storyline has been, oh, they can't win on the road. You got to realize they're a different playoff team than the regular season. How about them Warriors, baby? Let's go. I was hyped. Now I was watching the Warriors game, Ivan. I didn't watch the Heat game, but man, Jimmy Butler, woo, give that man his respect. He's a beast. KD too good? Nah, man. We'll see, Michael. We'll see. The Suns have been looking kind of shaky against the Clippers. I haven't looked all that special, but Devin Booker's been impressive for sure. Yeah, Devin Booker's been impressive. And honestly, the Lakers have been looking good. Rockets fan. Rockets. Yeah, good joke. Like the Nuggets, but they're so on and off. Douglas. Well, he means he's carrying the team. Devin Booker's carrying the team. I don't know. The Nuggets are solid. I like Murray. Murray's a freaking beast in the playoffs too. Got to spice up the conversations in here when there's no setups on the chart. Love talking basketball though. Yeah, I play basketball. Hell yeah. I used to play from like third grade through my first year of high school, but then I started focusing on running. But then, like, at UCLA, every off season we'd have in running, me and all my teammates, we go play hoops, and I love it. I love it. We're runners, so we're just running back and boom, 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 just outworking everyone. I'm like, I was the Draymond Green back in the day, just like defense, sprinting, every play, trying to get every rebound. I literally in like 8th grade, I would be the guy to get 15 rebounds and like 2 to 4 points. And I wasn't even the biggest guy. No, I'm like a Gary Payton. I'm like a Gary Payton. But I got the Klay Thompson in me too. With the threes. People say I look like Klay Thompson. What do you think? Let me know if I look like Klay Thompson. Rodman, yeah, Rodman, babe. I love Rodman. What about Kevon Looney though? Let's go, Kevon Looney. Wiggins been amazing. Oof, this Warriors team, they're all doing amazing. Grow out the beard a little more. Let's go, Warriors. Trying to make some money day trading so I can buy a ticket to the finals and be happy about it. Let's make some money, baby. And then it can justify like spending $1,000 on some tickets. That's true, Dylan, but it's not my money until I get a payout. But I mean that 20-point runner, it only made up for the fact off stream the day before I lost 1,000. I didn't done something this dumb in like literally in like a year. Like a year ago, I was doing dumb stuff like this where I lost 1,000 per account in one trade because I went into the trade with 4 contracts instead of 2, then added on. Then instead of taking the scalp portion out of the first one, I extended it to like 2.5 points because it was a second entry long and a higher low. So the second entry long, the scalp portion was made. I could have been out of the trade with a profit. Instead, higher low formed. So I got into the higher low and then put all my stops lower than they should have been, turned against me, and boom, minus a K per account. But that's why I'm like so confident in trading. If I just that, and then one other trade a few days ago where I used the stop order and then had like 2 points of slippage and the trade went back against me. That was like $400 loss per account. So that's like $1,400 thin air like that. So if I just eliminated those, oh my god, we'd be chilling. But we're in it for the long-term game. In the long term, I'm not going to do those things anymore. We'll be solid. That's why I still have these 10 evals. I've been making money and then to those 2 trades threw it away. Right now, the evals, I need like $368 right now, and I'll pass the next set of evals. For the PA account, I did the lifetime. For the eval account, I mean, there's no lifetime for the eval. So yeah, in a few days, it's gonna hit the 1 month mark for the evals. I've been playing around in these evals too much. So if I have to pay the fee, I have to pay the fee. It is what it is. Lifetime, I think it's like 150 per account. But the monthly fee is like $80, so you might as well just get the lifetime. Yeah, the lifetime fee is 150. 150 or like 155. I mean, I don't know the exact number with tax. This is for the 50,000 account. All right, peace out, Dylan. Appreciate you watching. Peace, peace, peace. I'm gonna be on here for about like 15 more minutes and get a good workout in. Get some sun through the eyes, on the face, on the skin. Okay, so I'm looking at yesterday. We basically almost reached the high. So the high from today is 15.5. Early in the overnight session yesterday, we were at, even yesterday, I went back 2 days. Yesterday it was 16.25, but 15.5. Same thing basically. And now we're going lower, so we'll see. We might need another push up, another test at the highs, another break through the highs. Right now we have to leg down, break, new low. Let's see what happens. Okay, we are getting a failed second entry long. New high, first entry long, second entry long, failure. But I wouldn't be confident in this trade. Looking at it visually, it looks like we had a leg down, couple breaks to new low, honestly, I'm expecting to probably come back above the EMA. I mean, this trade might work out. I mean, we'll see, we'll see. It's a range day. See where potential midline is. Might be trying to work to the midline of the day. Might be trying to work up, but right now it's a maybe. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 bars with a matching high, failed second entry long, depending on how this bar finishes. So potential short entry for sure. Maybe we have a something like that. I'm debating. I'm gonna stay out of it. I don't like the fact that we have a leg working up. So we could be coming back to test that and then work down. But we'll see. It's also new low. First entry short. We come up and then have a nice bearish bar. Then I'll consider the short. I'm gonna head out in about 10 minutes. So this is basically a 5th bar now with the matching high. So if we have 2 legs down, it'll basically take us to right around the midline. So we might be getting a second leg. But I want to wait for a second entry short. Second entry short, go short. First entry, no short. We can get a second entry short, then we'll end the stream after a 40-point runner. Okay, so trying to break the highs. If we get a second entry short, I'm gonna go short. Doesn't seem like we're gonna get that entry though. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Could be trying to get that push to the new high of the day. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here. See y'all tomorrow. Enjoy the day. Get some good trades in. Get some trades in that you're proud of. Have that good mindset. Good energy. See you all tomorrow. Peace. See you, Rin. Have a good one. Everyone, like that button. Smash that like button too. All right, have a good one, guys. Ciao, ciao.